Hello everyone, it is Chloe here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the kitchen. Clearly by the title you guys already know today's going to be another Cooking with Chloe Christmas edition. I haven't done a Cooking with Chloe in a hot ass minute. I think I've only done one of them. But you guys have been wanting this for so long, so here we are. So today we're going to make this a Christmas edition like I just said. I'm in my sparkling sequin apron that is going everywhere on the floor and Mum's going to hate me for it. We're going to be making two things today. We're going to be making the Betty Crocker chocolate and mink. We're going to be making the chocolate and mint flavoured cake mix by Betty Crocker. Corey loves mint, so we're going to make that today. And we're also going to be making some triple choc fudge brownie mix, but I'm also going to be adding some candy canes to it to make it a bit more festive, you know? Let's hope I don't ruin anything. So if you want to know how I make these bad boys and hope I don't burn the house down, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start with two bowls. I'm going to make them at the same time. Oh, please tell me we have eggs. So I'm going to actually make this one first. So this is by Betty Crocker, not sponsored. That didn't work out very well. So we have, oh what the fuck? We have the actual cake mix, a bunch of crispy sprinkles, and the mint icing. Now I'm not a massive fan of mint. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys down a bit so you can actually see what the heck I'm doing. So first we're going to open this bad boy and put it in the bowl. I'm not making this by scratch, as you can tell, because I'm not that talented and I'm not Betty Crocker or some shit. Okay, what now? Oh, it says electric mixer. Oh my god, I'm an absolute moron. Okay, we got me eggs and we got me milk. So I'm just going to like whisk it. Wow. Just gonna whisk it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna mix it in this and hope for the best. 2 eggs. Oh shit. Okay, this is not gonna end well. I can tell you that right now. Okay. 2 eggs. 1, 2. Yuck. Okay, so I've just moved you, so hopefully this is a better angle. If not, I'm so sorry. Okay, so we're now going to do 1.5 cups of milk. Okay, that goes in the bowl. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, so let's put that in. Do we even have vegetable oil? I don't even know. We do! So 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, we're gonna put that in there. Perfecto. Yeah, bitch, we're going good. These sequins are getting everywhere. I'm gonna take this off. This apron is going because there's sequins everywhere. So what do I do now? Just mix it? Do you not eat batter as it contains raw eggs? Does anyone actually listen to that? I don't think so. So we'll try and mix this without using power. It's like back in the olden days, you know? No one had power, so you have to use your hands for everything. So the only thing mint about this is the actual icing. I thought the actual cake itself had mint in it. See, who needs an electric mixer when you have hands? Okay, that looks like shit. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some trays out for this and the choc fudge brownies. Okay, so I think that's mixed enough. If it's not gonna taste good, but it's fine. So I'm using a loaf pan for this. Don't ask me why, I just want to. Okay, so now, yep. So I'm going to pour this into the loaf pan now. Okay, so now this is this. I'm just going to put it aside so we can actually start the brownies. Moving on to the brownies now. So we're just going to add the packet in. Oh shit. The packet into the bowl. How many eggs for this one? Jesus. 2. Okay. 2 eggs. 1, 2. It's all in my nails. I feel disgusting. So I don't even know how much butter to use. It just says to put in like 100. God, this is rock solid. 125 grams or some shit. So I'm just gonna wing it. So about that much. I'm gonna melt it and put it in the microwave. See how quick and easy is that? And I'm just gonna mix that a bit and put that in the. Oh. Ew. Okay, now mix that. This doesn't look like enough butter or enough liquid at all. I don't know what's happening. This one isn't going to be good. Jeez, it's like a big ass lump, mate. This is a workout and a half. I'm just saying. This is terrible. Can we see this? This is disgusting. I'm just saying, it's not meant to be that thick, right? So I'm going to try and put this in the pan, considering it's so effing thick. Like it's not even coming off the spoon. How do I do this? How? How is this possible? It tastes nice at least. Gordon Ramsay, help me please. What is happening? There is still so much left in this bowl, and if Mum saw it, oh my god, she'd flip. I don't know what's happening. Get off my spoon. Okay, so this is the best I can actually do. It looks like absolute dog shit, but it's fine. So this is going in the oven, and so is the cake, which is on the oven already. For how long? 35 minutes? And how long is the other one? 30 to 40. Okay, so I'm gonna do 20-minute intervals. So I'm gonna do 20, then turn them all over, and then do another 20. So this is kind of boring. I'm so sorry. But I'll see you guys in like, oh, socks. And I'll see you guys in like 20 minutes, maybe 40, I don't really know. Okay guys, so I just switched them around, so it's been 20 minutes or so. So they're in the oven again for another 20 minutes. So I'm gonna try and break these candicans to put on the brownies. I'm gonna put them in a plastic bag, or a Ziploc bag I should say. Oh my god. And then hit it with a rolling pin. It's basically how you make any topping like biscuits and shit. So I thought, why not try it with candy canes? Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really pissed. Okay, so now with my handy dandy tool, I'm going to smash these. Oh shit, that felt relieving. I feel like the Grinch. See, I don't want them too small, but I don't want them too big either. Doesn't look too bad. So this is my crushed up candy canes. They look a bit weird, but it's better than nothing, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna wait another 20 minutes and then maybe wait for them to cool and then decorate them. I'll see you guys in another 20 minutes. So the oven went ding and it smells like it's burning. Let's hope it isn't. So these are the brownies. Looking okay. This is the cake. Okay, not too shabby, I don't think. I might put the candy canes on now just because I don't know why, but I just want to. So I'm just gonna get a spoon now and just try and move it all around and like sink it into the actual brownies. So I'm gonna let these cool now, and for the cake, I'm gonna let it cool completely and then do a glaze, which is what they did here. So I'm gonna melt the icing and then pour it over top and then put the little sprinkles on. I think it's gonna look sick. We'll wait till these are cooled and then I'll show you decorating it, I guess. Okay guys, so I just cut up the brownies and honestly, they look cute. So I cut up a bit for me, so I'm gonna taste test it. So let's hope this tastes good. That's good. That is bloody beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take this cake out of the tin and glaze it and decorate it, and hopefully it looks really, really cool. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. So let's put on that mint topping and hope for the best. Okay, so I've just melted the icing in the microwave for about 15 seconds, so it's like liquidy, you know. So let's try and do this without getting the entire counter dirty. That's not really how I wanted it to work, but it's okay. Okay, so while it's still wet, I'm going to put these sprinkles on. Oh my god, they're going everywhere. And that, oh shit, and that is the chocolate mint cake. So I'm just gonna cut off a small bit for me just because it looks pretty. Let's try this chocolate cake. That's not too bad. The mint's not too bad actually. That is bloody beautiful. I remember last time I did cooking with Chloe, I kind of burnt everything. Just the top is a bit burnt, but Corey and Dad likes burnt shit, so I guess that's good. I don't know. But I did good this time. Oh my god. So guys, that is the end of this Christmas special of Cooking with Chloe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know the camera angles weren't as good. Next time I do this, I'll probably have 2 cameras. So if you have anything in particular you want me to cook, because I do want to make this a series because I'm lacking with the cooking videos, so please leave a comment down below on what you or I should film next cooking wise. But that is today's video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, please subscribe because I make 3 videos a week for you guys for the month of December. All my social media links will be down below in the description box like always. Part 1 of this, I guess part 1 will be down below as well if you want to check that out. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.